How to view old Google Maps satellite image. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view old Google Maps satellite images. This is quick and easy guide, so without further ado, let's get started. So to do this, we are going to use an app called Google Earth. While I looked for the best way to view historical satellite images on Google Map, I found that Google Earth is the most reliable method. And the thing is, Google Maps wasn't showing the right result, as other YouTubers might have suggested. So to get it started, go to Google Play Store and search for the Google Earth. Once you have found that, simply tap on Install to download it. Once done, open the Google Earth. Now that Google Earth is open, head to the search bar at the top and enter the location where you want to see the old satellite image. And once you have the place loaded, look for the button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that button and you will see the option called time lapse. Simply turn on that time lapse feature and Google Earth will show you image dating back from 1984. You can watch the image change over time and even adjust the speed if you want to move through the years faster. And if you want to pause and focus on the specific year, just stop the playback when you reach the year you are interested in. And that's it. You have now seen how to view historical satellite images on Google Earth. It's a fun way to explore how locations have changed over the years. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.